Welcome back to ᴛᴡɪɪᴰ Creation. In this video, we're gonna be creating a cactus pen holder. Without further ado, let's get started. But wait, before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. For this craft, you will need cardboard, markers, paint, tape, glue, drawing utensils, scissors, and last but not least, colored paper. Okay, so first, grab the cardboard and scissors and cut it in half. After you cut your cardboard in half, grab your paint and let's paint it. Okay, so after you painted the cardboard green, let us put it off to the side and continue with the next step. Okay, so in this step, we're going to be making the flower on top of the cactus. So let us grab our pencil and colored paper. Okay, so after you grab your colored paper, cut a thin line going vertical. Okay, so after you have cut your thin line of colored paper, grab your pencil and use the thin paper and wrap it around the pencil like this. After you have rolled it all the way, make sure there's a tiny flap open and glue this to the pencil. If you find the back flap of it loose, you can obviously also glue it just like you did for the front side. Grab your pink paper and trace out a circle, and you can use a ball or anything that you would desire to give you your circle shape. After you have traced your circle, now it's time to cut it up. After you have cut your circle, now it's time to cut it into a spiral shape. So take your scissors and start cutting from the end all the way to the middle. After you have cut your circle into a spiral, take a rod or a toothpick, a long one, and then just take the end of the spiral and fold it onto the rod and just keep on folding it. So now that you are done rolling the spiral onto the rod, take it out, and then you will see that it formed this tiny little rose type of shape in the middle, like this, and then just take the remaining of the circle and just roll it around. After you have folded the extra remaining of the spiral, if you flip it over, it will actually look like a flower, which is so cool. Then there's going to be this open flap you see right here, so glue this on, and then we'll proceed to the next step. After you have glued your flower together, take your pencil and glue it to the back where the eraser is. Now that we have finished our pencil topper, we are now going to be moving on to our cactus pen holder. So make sure your cactus or cardboard is dried, and I just checked and mine is in fact dried and it looks so cool with the color of green. So now that you have got your cardboard, let us move on to the next step. Okay, now grab a piece of cardboard, and you can make sure it's a thin one, and outline the branches of the cardboard and a circle to glue onto the back. Okay, so I have outlined my branch and circle. Now we are going to be painting it all green so it can match this color. After you have finished painting the cardboard, now let this dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. While our cardboard is drying, we're going to be starting the accessories of our cactus. Okay, so grab your cardboard and a Sharpie and just make tiny little dots on the cardboard. Okay, so when we were doing this, I checked on my cardboard and guess what? It was all dry. So now that it is all dry, let us cut out the pieces and then we can proceed to the next step. Okay, so I have cut out the cardboard pieces for our cactus and they look so cute. So a final touch we have to add to this is the thorns. Now that you have colored and add the details to our cardboard pieces, we can now glue them onto our cardboard. Okay, so I have glued the cardboard onto the cactus and here is how it looks. It looks so cute. It actually looks like a cactus plant. And it's so useful for storage, for keeping your pens, pencils, even markers. This is the best craft, which will be so good for your desk or any decor. And to top it off, we can keep our topper, which is so cute. And if you add it on top, it looks like a masterpiece. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Bye!